Career opportunities. As we know, just after your degree course or diploma course in nursing, we have lots of opportunities in your career. Not just a staff nurse, we have other roles in education institution or a nurse educator. We can do many roles in a hospital as well as in an in- educational institution. Okay. So these are included in these career opportunities. For a hospital, you would from the base as a staff nurse, can come into shift in charge, infection control nurse, ward in charge, clinical instructor, department supervisor, in-service educator, and nursing superintendent or director. These are the major roles in a hospital. Lots of opportunities. Then basically we are starting as a staff nurse or trainee nurse. From there we are going to be a team leader. Then you can be as a according to your experience and ability, you can be a ward in charge or a clinical instructor, infection control nurse, can go for a department supervisor, an in-service educator, or the director or the nursing superintendent. These are the roles in a hospital, and for a education institution, it changes to from the clinical instructor or tutor post and as a lecturer, then associate professor or reader, can be also called reader, and professor, vice principal, and principal of the institution. These are the major roles in an educational institution. Okay. Then we have other roles or other career opportunities or expanded and extended roles. What are the expanded roles? How? Any idea regarding what are the roles? What may be the roles? Just I will give some clues regarding that. We can specialize in one area, like geriatric nursing, a pediatric nurse, or hope you heard about flight nurse, military nursing, like that. Okay, these are the expanded roles or opportunities in your career. Okay, first one, nurse practitioner. It has an advanced education and is a graduate of a nurse practitioner program certified by the American Nurses Credentialing Center. There is a program, there is a nurse practitioner program, and the nurse should be a graduate from that. That is the advanced education, that is nurse practitioner. Otherwise, we are termed as a registered nurse. Okay, for a American Nurses Credentialing Center. Then, advanced skill in physical and psychological patient assessment, data collection and problem labeling, order diagnostic measures, and prescribe medication. These are the major capabilities or advanced skills for a nurse practitioner. Okay. Next role, that is a nurse educator. As we know, educator is always educating or teaching role, tutor, like that. Employed in nursing programs at education institution as well as in hospital, staff education has role in continuing education program or in-service education program. The nurse is worked as a educator. She is able to teach or guide her own colleagues or the basic have some basic skills. Usually has a bachelor degree or more advanced preparation, has expertise in a particular area of practice. Sometimes the nurses having just BSc nursing only, or otherwise they having some other certification courses in a specialized area, like that. These are included in the qualification for a nurse educator. Okay. And the third one, that is clinical nurse specialist. Here, advanced degree and is considered to be an expert in a specialized area of practice. Example, oncology. Oncology nurse is very well expert in that particular area and having some advanced degree on that oncologic nursing, some degree, some other courses like diploma courses or 6 months duration course, like that. She having an additional certification course on that particular area, that is the clinical nurse specialist. She is specialized in a particular area, maybe in neonatology or in oncology or geriatrics, like that. She provides direct client care and able to educate others, consult, conduct research, and manages care. These are the major role for a clinical nurse specialist. And the fourth one, that is nurse midwife, having a midwifery course. A registered nurse who has completed a program in midwifery and is certified by the American College of Nurse Midwives, which gives prenatal care, postnatal care, and manages deliveries in normal pregnancies, home delivery. Okay. Then practice with a healthcare agency that provides medical consultation, collaborative management, and referral.